One of the biggest advantages of the microfinance industry is the ability to create recurring income. When managed correctly, lending businesses generate monthly cash flow that can continue growing over time. But wealth is not created through reckless lending. It is created through discipline, smart systems, strong collections, responsible affordability assessments, and long-term thinking. Many successful entrepreneurs started small. What separated them was consistency and the willingness to build sustainability over time. At QuintPay, we believe systems and education are critical to long-term business success because financial freedom is not built through luck. It is built through smart decisions repeated consistently over many years. Microfinance, when managed professionally and correctly, can create life-changing opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to stay disciplined and focused.